Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Why in the world would you refer to a terrorist with a G after his name? As the BJP tweets a video of Rahul Gandhi calling Jaish chief Masood Azhar as G, we dig into the rationale behind the Congress chief's big blooper. But first up, here are the top headlines making news this Monday evening.
एयरक्राफ्ट में मसूद अजहर जी के साथ
Well, it's days ahead of the Lok Sabha polls. The BJP has targeted Congress President Rahul Gandhi once again, respecting Pulwama mastermind, calling him Masood Azhar ji. We at times now ask, are you serious, Rahul ji?
पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है कि सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक्स के नाम पर वोट मांगे जा रहे हैं, यानी फौजियों की जिंदगियों पर वोट गिने जा रहे हैं।
Times Now accesses proof that India had tracked 263 Jaish terrorists at the camps hit by the Indian Air Force on February 26. But despite irrefutable proof, opposition undermines the forces. Opposition injects religious angle to poll dates, alleges minorities won't be able to vote during Ramzan. BJP slams desperate opposition. Stunning Pak twist emerges in the Samjhauta case. Pakistan national claims to have proof, lies in court, alleges eyewitnesses were not even summoned.
You're watching the News Hour at 9.
तो एयरक्राफ्ट में मसूद अजहर जी के साथ बैठ तो एयरक्राफ्ट में मसूद अजहर जी के साथ बैठ तो एयरक्राफ्ट में मसूद अजहर जी के साथ बैठ.
Ladies and gentlemen, did you hear that? Congress President Rahul Gandhi calling Pulwama mastermind Masood Azhar ji, a remark that the BJP was quick to tweet out tonight. And tonight on the case, I will tell you how the Congress has always believed in giving utmost respect to those who have bled India and its innocence. In May 2011, soon after the Abbottabad operation in Pakistan leading to the death of 9/11 mastermind Osama bin Laden, senior leader of the Congress party Digvijay Singh had said, no matter how big a criminal, his religious tradition should be respected. This remark was made specifically over the decision of sea burial for Osama bin Laden, and he was called Osama ji. Then in 2012, Salman Khurshid, the then UPA law minister, claimed that Sonia Gandhi, the then UPA chairperson, had cried bitterly after terrorists were killed in the Batla House encounter, in which one of our bravest police officers was martyred. No tears for him, no tears for Mahesh Chand, but tears only for the terrorists who were killed. And then in January 2013, Digvijay Singh putting his foot in his mouth again, calling the 26/11 mastermind Hafiz Saeed Sahab, saying Hafiz Sahab is involved in terror activities and Pakistan government supports it. And now, less than 30 days after Pulwama carnage that left over 40 of our CRPF jawans dead, Congress President Rahul Gandhi has called Masood Azhar ji. Listen in to Rahul Gandhi once more, ladies and gentlemen, because I certainly can't believe this.
तो एयरक्राफ्ट में मसूद अजहर जी के साथ बैठ तो एयरक्राफ्ट में मसूद अजहर जी के साथ बैठ तो एयरक्राफ्ट में मसूद अजहर जी के साथ बैठ.
And now Randeep Singh Surjewala, the chief spokesperson of the Congress party, has just tweeted these pictures. He's raised two questions to the BJP and select Bhakt media who deliberately seek to twist the Masood sarcasm of Rahul ji. Question number 1 that Surjewala asks is, did NSA Doval not escort and release terrorist Masood Azhar in Kandahar? And question number 2, did Modi ji not invite Pakistan's rogue ISI to investigate Pathankot terror attack? That is Surjewala's weak hit back. Probably is forgotten the all-party meeting in 1999 December where Sonia Gandhi was in agreement with the Vajpayee government for the release of Masood Azhar to save 182 Indian citizens on board IC-814. So, ladies and gentlemen, on the News Hour tonight, the legitimate question: has Rahul Gandhi insulted Pulwama martyrs? That's the question, and that's the debate that's coming up. Rahul Masood Ji remark. That's the hashtag, ladies and gentlemen, and the debate coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
And joining me tonight on the News Hour Direct is Union Minister Smriti Irani. Smriti Irani, Rahul ji calls Masood Azhar ji a reference that his mentor and Digvijay Singh has used several times for Hafiz Saeed Sahab and Osama ji. Is this part of a pattern in the Congress party, or is this a
It is
blooper?
a part of now. I believe it's a part of the Congress DNA now to show reverence and respect for terrorists and terrorist organizations. This is the same Congress party which said that Sonia Gandhi cried when the Batla House encounter happened. You are correct when you said that this is the same Congress party where a leader like Digvijay Singh gave much respect to Osama bin Laden. And today, the Congress chief stands amongst people and gives respect to Masood Azhar. But one should not be surprised by the stand taken by Rahul Gandhi as he stands with anti-India forces, because this is the same gentleman who walked up in the national capital and supported those who said Bharat tere tukde honge. So Rahul Gandhi has always joined cause with people who seek to bring destruction to India. What appalls me today is that this gentleman projected solace for martyrs and their families, and today he gives respect to the same terrorist who has brought terror to the doorstep of innocent Indian civilians, who has brought terrorism to paramilitary forces and the armed forces. Why Rahul Gandhi has much respect for a terrorist like Masood Azhar but calls the Indian Army chief a Gunda is beyond comprehension.
Well, that's exactly what I wanted to ask you. He's referred to, in fact, his own member of parliament had referred to the army chief as Sadak Ka Gunda. His party has often talked about evidence of the Balakot airstrikes, and now reference to Masood Azhar ji. Does this really give out a new angle to the entire national security strategy of the Congress party?
How can be it a strategy? Is it a strategy of the Congress party to attack the very consciousness of every Indian citizen who stands against terrorism? Is it a part of the Congress strategy to stand with Pakistan and terrorist organizations against Indian interests? It is the strategy of Rahul Gandhi, just in his pursuit to demean the Prime Minister and the Bharatiya Janata Party, that he uses Masood Azhar as a support. What kind of strategy is this, which goes against the very ethos of India?
Well, thanks very much, Smriti Irani. We understand this is going to be a huge issue this forthcoming election, as we are already in the election.
I hope Rahul Gandhi can find it in himself to answer to every martyr's family, especially those who died in Pulwama.
Do you think
Today,
his
let him
apology
answer
will
every
actually...
innocent civilian.
Do you think...
an apology will not be sufficient.
Okay.
I think what Indian citizens today are appalled by is that Rahul Gandhi could find respectful words in his heart which came out on his lips today.
Well,
it is shocking, the depths of depravity of this gentleman.
thank you very much, Smriti Irani, for joining me on the News Hour. An apology won't be enough. In fact, this is depths of depravity by Rahul Gandhi. That's the judgment coming in from the BJP. We'll go across to the debate on the other side, and joining me tonight, Dr. Sambit Patra, National Spokesperson of the BJP, Shehzad Poonawalla, lawyer, Abdul Razak Khan, political analyst, Tehseen Poonawalla, political analyst, Farooq Khan, lawyer, and Ravi Srivastava, political analyst. But first, to a segment that's called The Standpoint, where Dr. Sambit Patra takes on Tehseen Poonawalla. And Tehseen Poonawalla, is this part of a pattern? Because Osama ji and Hafiz Saeed Sahab is what his mentor had said. And Sonia Gandhi तो रो पड़ी थी बाटला हाउस एनकाउंटर के बाद, क्योंकि इनोसेंट मुस्लिम्स, उन्होंने तो इसको टेरर को कम्युनल बना दिया. उन्होंने कहा इनोसेंट मुस्लिम्स हैड बीन किल्ड. And now Rahul Gandhi refers to Masood Azhar as Masood Azhar ji.
Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, direct descendants of people who've been victims of terror attacks and martyrs for our country. Unfortunately, nobody, and fortunately for the country, nobody from the RSS or BJP has been a martyr for this country, have no right to preach on patriotism. Now let's come to the facts of the case. Facts of the case are such. Masood Azhar was arrested in 1995 when there was a strong Congress government. Then came the government of Vajpayee ji, who decided to release Masood Azhar. I know that Sonia ji and Farooq Abdullah Sahab were in that meeting. However, the fact of the matter is Vajpayee ji was a strong prime minister as claimed by the BJP continues. They had an Iron Man in Advani ji. They took a decision and they decided to release him. Post that, there was the parliament attack on India. 1,874 of our brave Indian soldiers were killed or wounded in this build-up done by Vajpayee ji. After that, Musharraf comes to Agra to have kebabs with Vajpayee ji. What happens next? Next comes Prime Minister Modi ji, says 56-inch chest, ek ke badle 10 sar launga. The most number of our soldiers have been martyred under the governance of Modi ji. The fact of the matter was there was a direct note, which Times Now has access, saying that this type of an attack would happen. Even then, there's been no responsibility for the local failure for this attack to happen. The person who's responsible for flying Masood Azhar to Kandahar, his son is involved, apparently they say, in dubious deals. I am not aware of that. I know he's filed defamation cases, but so is the newspaper saying that. So the fact of the matter is, the BJP has nothing to answer, so they latch on to Rahul Gandhi's sarcasm. The BJP has lost its IQ, its sense of humor, and it should be embarrassed of what is done to this country.
Sense of humor, Dr. Sambit Patra. Reference to Masood Azhar, the terrorist of Jaish-e-Mohammed who killed 40 of our brave hearts in Pulwama. Mr. Tehseen Poonawalla says we should have a sense of humor to appreciate Rahul Gandhi's remarks.
Navika, first and foremost, had it been for the first time that Mr. Rahul Gandhi or any congressman would have called Masood Azhar as Masood Azhar ji, that we might have blamed the tongue, that it was the tongue which slipped. But when you have party members, tall party members like, in fact, Digvijay Singh mentioning Osama bin Laden as Osama ji, you have the former Home Minister of India, Mr. Sinde, on the floor of Parliament addressing Hafiz Saeed, the terrorist, the dreaded terrorist, at Hafiz Saeed Sahab and Hafiz ji. Digvijay Singh, Hafiz ji, Surjewala, Hafiz Sahab. So naturally, and we have heard what Hafiz Saeed himself had to say for the Congress party, that bahut achhi party hai Congress party, then I firmly believe it is not the tongue which is to be blamed, it is the mind which is to be blamed. Somewhere we get a peek into the mind, we get to peep into the mind of these people. I mean, it's of course with design that Mr. Salman Khurshid said that Sonia Gandhi could not sleep for 3 nights. She cried when she saw the dead bodies of the terrorists. It is a design that Mr. Digvijay Singh after 26/11 says that 26/11 was not the handiwork of Pakistan, but it was sajish of RSS. It was a design that we get to hear that Mr. Sidhu goes and hugs the Pakistan Army General, the ISI chief, and says, "Jeeve, jeeve Pakistan, Imran Khan, mera yaar." And he says that all this I said because my captain, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, had suggested me thus. The irony is the same Mr. Rahul Gandhi who stands with the Tukre gang of the JNU in the attempt to despise Mr. Modi has fallen to despise India.
Your time is up, Dr. Sambit Patra, and I'm opening up the debate tonight, and my question is only one single question, Mr. Abdul Razak Khan. Mr. Abdul Razak Khan, in this country, should we be calling terrorists as Masood Azhar ji? Within days after we've seen martyrdom of 40 of our CRPF jawans, we should be referring to their mastermind as Masood Azhar ji?
Navika, first of all, the media channels are just pulling out a plane out of a pin and just, making a mountain out of a molehill.
Oh, yes?
There is absolutely nothing
Mountain
wrong
out
in
of
what
a
he has said.
molehill,
It is a
sense of
sarcastic way.
humor.
Let me express. It is a sarcastic way in which he has said that the BJP, with all due respect, took him in an aircraft and surrendered themselves to the terrorists in Kandahar on 24 December 1999. Now, firstly, in the entire sequence of his statements, if you look at it very closely, he has, addressed him in singular. It is that only one sentence where he has said, Masood Azhar ji ko BJP ne aircraft mein le jaakar. So you should understand that he is being a little sarcastic over the BJP while he is addressing Ajit Doval's involvement during the barter that time, where he went ahead and made a deal with the terrorists, and who is today responsible for the safety and security of the CRPF Jawans. Now, who shouldn't be questioning the BJP? Why shouldn't we be questioning the BJP about the intel failure? Now, all the media channels have made up their minds that they will keep this issue boiling till the elections are over.
Okay,
so
shoot
that
the
BJP gains
messenger.
out of
Shoot the
maximum.
messenger.
Where
That's
are
the only
basic
policy
issues
that
of
the
BJP?
opposition has,
Why
Shehzad
is
Poonawala. They will not question Rahul Gandhi for calling Masood Azhar as Masood Azhar ji, but they will question the media. We are playing up the
He
picture.
has,
देखिए
he has addressed him
अब्दुल
in
रज़ाक साहब,
singular.
अगर मैं कुछ लाइन बोल दूं, एक सेकंड, राहुल ने क्या बात कर दी, ग्लोबल टेररिस्ट मसूद को कह दिया मसूद जी। मोदी सरकार से इतनी नाराज़गी कि इमरान लगे फरिश्ता, बाजवा सोना मुंडा और आतंकियों के साथ आज कर ली दोस्ती। यदि मैं प्रभाकरन जी कहूँ, यदि मैं भिंद्रन वाले जी कहूँ, तो ये जी परिवार के दिल में जितने छेद हो जाएंगे, तो आज वो सोचे
और
बैठकर,
गोडसे जी जिनकी राजनीति करते हुए इनको
वो
पूरा अरसा हो गया
ऐसा
है।
हो गया है। तो मैं सिर्फ इतना कहूँगा कि राहुल जी, आपकी ज़ुबान फिसली या आपका दिमाग नहीं चल रहा था, आप सिर्फ इतना चयन कीजिए कि जो पुलवामा में मारे गए शहीद के परिवार आज सुनेंगे आपकी बात को, या जो पार्लियामेंट अटैक में हमारे लोग शहीद हुए वो आपकी बात को सुनेंगे। अब्दुल रज़ाक जी, मैं प्लीज अब्दुल रज़ाक जी, थोड़ा सा संयम बरते जी। आप सोचे उन लोगों के बारे में, उन लोगों के बारे में सोचे जिनका दिल छलनी हो रहा होगा कि देश का इतना बड़ा नेता, और हम अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मंच पे जाके कहते हैं ये ग्लोबल टेररिस्ट है, पाकिस्तान इन लोगों की बाइट चलाता है, कहता है कि देखो ये लोग तो बोलते हैं पुलवामा भी इन्होंने करवाया राजनीति के लिए, ये देखिए ये लोग बोलते हैं कि कहीं एयर स्ट्राइक नहीं हुआ, सबूत यही लोग मांगते हैं, और ये आजकल जाके कहेंगे कि जब राहुल गांधी ने जी कह रहा है तो ये कैसे ग्लोबल टेररिस्ट हुआ। दे हैव अंडरमाइंड इंडिया स्टैंड, दे हैव हर्ट द फैमिलीज ऑफ द मार्टर्स। अब्दुल रज़ाक साहब, आप सिर्फ सराउंड साउंड देते हो, आप बात आने नहीं देते हो। आपके सराउंड साउंड से क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है? आप बात सुनिए, आप आज दर्द महसूस कीजिए। मैं प्रभाकरन जी बोलूंगा तो कितना दर्द होगा राजीव, और ये आप एक शब्द यहाँ पे निकला, सोनिया गांधी इज डायरेक्ट डिसेंडेंट। सोनिया गांधी, मैम आई डोंट नो, सोनिया गांधी इज डायरेक्ट डिसेंडेंट ऑफ समबडी हु वाज मार्टर्ड। इटली के कौन से जिले में, इटली के कौन से जिले में कौन सा इनका परिवार का व्यक्ति शहीद हुआ, ये मुझे बता दे। सोनिया गांधी डायरेक्ट डिसेंडेंट है तो मुझे बता दे कि इटली के कौन से जिले में शहीद हुआ, कौन शहीद हुआ इटली के जिले में।
Well, I want to bring up
इंटेल का पूरा
बताइए
यहाँ जो जी करते यहाँ बैठे हैं, आजकल जो गुजरात के पाले जी खा रहे हैं, उनको भी मैं एक चीज बता दूं, बड़े ध्यान से काम सुनिए।
Why are you trivializing the debate? Where is Pandey ji in this? What are you trivializing this debate for?
जो हमारे 50 वीर शहीद हुए, हमारे जो 50 वीर शहीद हुए 44, और उसके बाद जो फायरिंग हो रही है, सबसे पहले आप इस बात का जवाब दीजिए कि जो दोवल जी है एनएसए, जिनको पत्र मिला था, डीजी सीआरपीएफ को लिखा गया था कि उन्हें आप कॉन्वॉय में ना भेजे, उसकी जवाबदारी किसकी है? 350 किलो आरडीएक्स मिला, वो आरडीएक्स प्रोक्योर कहां से हुआ, जिम्मेदारी किसकी है? आपने क्या इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया? किसको सस्पेंड कर दिया? आप ये बताइए, आप उनको इंसाफ कब दोगे? और ये सवाल मैं नहीं पूछ रहा हूं, एक शहीद की पत्नी पूछ रही है, एक शहीद की पत्नी ये सवाल पूछ रही है,
अरे 26/11 के बाद क्या किया जी, जरा बताइए ना।
आपने एक आतंकवादी
26/11 के बाद आपने क्या किया?
बिजनेस क्लास में एक मंत्री सहित एनएसए
सोनिया गांधी का लेटर दिखा दो कि उन्होंने मना
आपने
किया।
उसको सल्यूट किया। आज भी आपके परिवार के लोग उनके साथ बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, इसका आपको जवाब
ये
देना
सू हो
होगा।
गए।
आप
सू हो जाएंगे आप
दलील
नेशनल
किस बात
चैनल
की
पे।
दे रहे हैं? कांग्रेस को तो प्रूफ चाहिए कि बालाकोट एयर स्ट्राइक हुआ भी कि नहीं।
चींटी भी नहीं मिली।
आप कहते हैं चींटी भी नहीं मिली। लिसन इन टू दिस कांग्रेस लीडर हु मेक्स दिस obnoxious statement questioning our forces, but when Rahul Gandhi really has to refer to terrorists, he calls him Masood Azhar ji. Listen in to this Congress leader.
सांगितलं आपण हमला कर दिया पाकिस्तान पे, 350 लोग मर गए तिथे चीडी काय म्हणतो किडी, ते मुंगी सुद्धा मेली नाही, मुंगी सुद्धा.
Haribhav Rathore, ex-MP of Maharashtra says चींटी भी नहीं मरी फारूक खान साहब, चींटी भी नहीं मरी. और संदीप दीक्षित जी ने क्या कहा था? आर्मी चीफ हमारे जो हैं सड़क के गुंडे हैं, लेकिन मसूद अजहर तो मसूद अजहर जी हैं. यह है आपकी परंपरा कांग्रेस पार्टी की.
First of all, let me tell you that I am not a spokesperson or neither a member of a Congress party. Number one. Number two, let me start with a very famous Urdu शेर, if you understand. नुख्ते के फ़र्क ने महरम को मुजरिम बना दिया, हम दुआ लिखते रहे, वो दगा पढ़ते रहे. You know, it will be great travesty of things if you don't understand the satire. Masood Azhar, quote unquote, G was a G for Mr. Ajit Doval, Doval G. When Doval G escorted Masood Azhar within word comma his
राहुल जी
G to
स्पीच दे रहे थे,
Kandahar.
सीरियस स्पीच की कपिल शर्मा की तरह सटायर कर रहे थे. राहुल गांधी कपिल शर्मा की जगह लेना चाह रहे थे, सटायर ह्यूमर करते हैं, या वो देश के एक प्रभावी बड़े नेता के तौर पे सीरियस स्पीच देते हैं? ये पहले बताइए. फारूक खान साहब, क्या राहुल गांधी कपिल शर्मा को कंपटीशन दे रहे हैं? तो बोल दीजिए, फिर हम उनका सटायर, सार्केज्म, ह्यूमर सब चीज मानते हैं. वो देश को हंसाते तो है, पर वो देश को जानबूझकर नहीं, वो अपने भोलेपन में हंसाते हैं, वो मैं मानता हूं.
Nawaz Sharif, my friend Nawaz Sharif is for our beloved Prime Minister so that he
राहुल गांधी की बात में इंटेलिजेंस और सार्केज्म खोजना, इसके लिए तो एक अलग लेवल का.
Can I remind you that in 1999 December there was an all-party meeting of which Farooq Abdullah and Omar Abdullah were a part.
So what?
Sonia Gandhi was also a part. So if Masood Azhar Ji, if Rahul Gandhi's Masood Azhar Ji had been released, there was an explicit support coming in from Sonia Gandhi. Dr. Sambit Patra, wasn't that the facts of the case at that time?
NDA government could have demolished that support. It could have demolished
See,
that
can
support.
I don't want to shout in the middle of anyone. Let's have a very sane debate on this extremely serious issue. Navika, if you, Mr. Farooq, please allow me to speak. I did not speak in middle of you. Thank
only
you.
Sambit bhai, only tell one thing. When our beloved Prime Minister went to Pakistan to
Farooq
meet
bhai, I
and
was not
greet
shouting in the middle of
Nawaz
you. Can we
Sharif
have a
ji,
sane debate on a
who
serious
was
issue? I know you are hurt. I know you are hurt when we speak against Masood Azhar, but I would still request you very respectfully that you should allow others also to speak, sir. Sir, आप मुझे बोलने दीजिए. सर, आप मुझ पे चिल्लाइए मत. आराम से डिबेट करते हैं.
Why Modi ji?
Navika, let him complete and then I would speak, because people say that if two people speak, they cannot hear anything. I'll wait for my turn.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने नवाज शरीफ को क्या बोला था? नवाज शरीफ जी बोला था या नहीं बोला था? ये बता
आपको
दीजिए.
वो याद है नवाज शरीफ जी, लेकिन आज जो सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस की तरफ से हमारे पास कॉन्फर्मेशन आई, फारूक खान, मिस्टर फारूक खान, you will have to listen to me. I bring up my fact check one before I come to Dr. Sambit Patra.
Yeah, go ahead.
263 were on India's kill list. 91 terrorists assembled for Daura-e-Khas. 83 terrorists assembled for Daura-e-Aam. 30 terrorists assembled for Daura-e-Mautullah. 25 selection for Fidain special trainings. 18 senior trainers were to radicalize these recruits, and 20 working staff, including cooks and barbers, were present at that Balakot training center, Mr. Farooq Khan. आप डाउट कर रहे हैं फोर्सेस ने जो इंफॉर्मेशन दी है, लेकिन मसूद अजहर को तो
मैं
आप
डाउट कर रहा
जी
हूं।
कहते
मुझे
हैं,
तो अपनी
भगवान
आर्मी
की
पे
तरह
फख्र
ट्रीट
है,
कर रहे हैं।
मुझे तो अपनी आर्मी पे गर्व है, लेकिन मैं भाजपा की भर्त्सना करता हूं। आई कॉन्डेम बीजेपी फॉर पोलिटिसाइजिंग इट। आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माई आर्मी, एंड इफ आर्मी सेज दैट दे हैव किल्ड 5000 पीपल, आई विल बिलीव इट विदाउट हैविंग एनी क्वेश्चन, बट आई विल नॉट बिलीव बीजेपी. I will not believe BJP when they have to put poster of Great Warrior Abhinandan to their political posters. I will not
Navika,
believe
please
when
can
Mr.
I
Manoj
come
Yes,
Tiwari
Dr.
has
Sambit
been
Batra
responding
is
to
responding to you.
Allow me to come in now.
Farooq Khan, hold on. In a debate, there is a point and there is a counterpoint. Now listen to the counter coming in from Dr. Sambit Patra. Yes, Dr. Sambit Patra.
Ironically, Navika, very patiently I have been hearing to many of my opponents, and I feel that though the airstrike was in Pakistan against the terrorists, some in India also have been wounded. Many of these people appear to be wounded, shouting at the top of the voice from the rooftops that show us the proof. Nothing has happened. There is one Sidhu who says that India only felled trees in Pakistan. So मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ घर के अंदर ही दुश्मन बैठे हुए हैं तो किस किस से लड़ना पड़ेगा. Now if you would see the complete speech of Mr. Rahul Gandhi, Navika ji, you would find that the sentence preceding Masood Azhar ji is Modi China jata hai. Modi China, Mr. Farooq, you are a learned gentleman. I believe you understand democracy and debate. You should allow others to speak. Navika ji, if you would see the complete sentence, the speech of Mr. Rahul Gandhi, the sentence preceding Masood Azhar ji is Modi China jata hai. That is the amount of hatred that Mr. Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party has for the Prime Minister of his own country. But the respect that he shows, leave aside for the ISI man, leave aside for the Commander-in-Chief of Pakistan Army, Qamar Bajwa, whom Mr. Rahul's lieutenant, Mr. Sidhu hugs. But for a terrorist, Masood Azhar is something which is not only appalling, but which gives us an opportunity to know what the Congress party is doing behind the doors.
Well,
नहीं आप क्यों आप तो कांग्रेस पार्टी के स्पोक्सपर्सन नहीं आप बोल रहे थे. मैं राहुल गांधी के खिलाफ बोलूं तो आप किसके स्पोक्सपर्सन? मसूद अजहर के स्पोक्सपर्सन है या राहुल गांधी के स्पोक्सपर्सन? किसके स्पोक्सपर्सन है?
repeat offender, Mr. Digvijay Singh. Listen in to Digvijay Singh, mentor of Rahul Gandhi, from where Rahul Gandhi learnt his G's, not for Modi ji, but for Masood Azhar ji. Listen in to Digvijay Singh.
पाकिस्तान के मिलिट एकेडमी के 100 गज दूर पर ये ओसामा जी जो हैं कई वर्षों से रह रहे थे. पाकिस्तान आर्मी क्या कर रही थी और पाकिस्तान सरकार क्या कर रही थी, उस पर आज प्रश्न चिन्ह लगता है.
हाफिज सईद साहब, जहां तक सवाल उनका है, वो तो साफ है कि उनके आतंकवादी गतिविधियों में वे शामिल हैं और प्रमाणित है, और पाकिस्तान हुकूमत उनका संरक्षण कर रही है, ये बात भी साबित है.
हाफिज सईद जी, ओसामा जी, मसूद अजहर जी, जो 182 पैसेंजर्स थे, उनके लिए आपको कोई चिंता नहीं है. जो 40 जवान हमारे पुलवामा में शहीद हुए, उनके लिए कोई चिंता नहीं है. लेकिन मसूद अजहर जी,
मैं आज देशभक्त संबित भाई से ये गुजारिश करता हूँ, हाथ जोड़कर, दिल पे हाथ रखकर आप बोलिए साहब. मैं आपको एक वीडियो दिखाता हूँ. ये है माननीय भाजपा के बड़े नेता.
मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग भी देशभक्त बने.
जी सर,
देशभक्त होना कोई बुरी बात नहीं है.
बहुत बड़ा देशभक्त हूं. सुन लीजिए, ये हमारे राष्ट्रवाद नेता, सुन लीजिए ना सर, ये हमारे राष्ट्रवाद नेता, भाजपा के बड़े नेता, वरिष्ठ नेता श्री मुरली मनोहर जी, जो हाफिज सईद को श्री हाफिज सईद कह रहे. आपको मैं वीडियो दिखा देता हूँ.
राष्ट्रवाद नेता नहीं, राष्ट्रवादी नेता.
ये पार्लियामेंट में कह रहे श्री हाफिज सईद. आप सर बताइए, आज तो आप लोग सबको देशभक्ति की सर्टिफिकेट जो बांटते हो, आप मुरली मनोहर जोशी को आज कमिट कीजिए टाइम्स नाउ पे, टिकट नहीं दोगे. ये पार्लियामेंट सेशन, ये पार्लियामेंट में उन्होंने कहा है, पार्लियामेंट में जब मीडिया पर एड्रेस कर रहे थे वहां पर.
मैं इसका उत्तर देता हूं.
श्री हाफिज सईद
तहसीन भाई, let me answer you. Okay, let me answer you, Tehseen Bhai. Tehseen Bhai, that's the reason as to why when there was a face-off between you and me in the beginning of the debate, remember I began by saying that had it been for the first time any Congress leader would have said Masood Azhar Sahab or Masood Azhar Ji, we probably might have felt that it is a slip of a tongue because we are all used to Indian culture. But when this happens consistently on many platforms by many leaders, then of course we realize that it is not the tongue which is to be faulted, the fault lies in the mind.
Okay.
And remember,
So
when you say that Sonia Ji cried after seeing
Show
the
me
dead
another
bodies of
example where Rahul
terrorists.
Gandhi
When
used
you
it
say
by
that
your logic.
26/11, when you
But
say
Digvijay has
26/11,
used it.
so then-
Digvijay Singh has
Just
not
a
been
second.
reprimanded.
So
Digvijay has used it for Osama. He's used it for Hafiz Saeed. Mr. Sandeep Dikshit has called the army chief Sadak Ka Gunda. Has Rahul Gandhi ever publicly snubbed or apologized for
Modi
these
ji
comments?
called Mehul Choksi, Mehul by Choksi. Has anyone publicly told Modi
I want
ji
to
to
give
apologize?
one more decode. Let's decode this. Sambit has said something important which has been missed out. Rahul Gandhi was making a long speech in which there was no sentiment of respect for anybody because he was calling Pradhan Mantri tu tadak se. And now in that tu tadak, that means he's not respecting anybody. Suddenly the respect comes for only Masood Azhar Ji. Now that you encompass with the fact that Digvijay Singh says it multiple times, Sandeep Dikshit says it multiple times, Sidhu says Farishta and all these things multiple times, and Rahul Gandhi, who is controlling all these people, doesn't take any action on them. So this definitely shows that Rahul Gandhi has special admiration for Hafiz Saeed and Masood Azhar, because Hafiz Saeed has also complimented Congress. It's a mutual admiration society.
I can't bear this sarcasm and sense of humor over the death of 40 of our martyrs. 40 of our martyrs. Ravi Srivastava ji.
The only sense of humor Rahul Gandhi can have is purely coincidental and not intentional. If at all he
At
can.
least he makes people laugh, unlike Modi ji.
He's only making people laugh.
I don't
And
feel
cry.
like laughing when Masood Azhar is referred to as Masood Azhar Ji. I don't feel like laughing.
Then the soldiers of this country, I also don't feel like laughing. I feel like crying.
Ravi Srivastava, I want to put out facts before you. I want to put out facts before you, and I want to question these facts. Does Reuters have a vested interest in undermining the NDA BJP government, or is this the truth? Manish Tiwari, when these doubters question the Balakot airstrike, 1 minute, Ravi Srivastava.
He's answering
1 minute.
Pakistan. Why he was taking ISI for a terror tourism in Pathankot? You reply that. Is the Prime Minister who is favoring the Atangwadi, not that Rahul Gandhi. He is bringing them into country.
People,
so Digvijay Singh, satellite images show Madrasa building still standing at the scene of Indian bombing. Is this not insult to our forces? Modi ji's international media reporting no proof of militant losses in Balakot Pro Park. This is Kapil Sibal. Are these people not questioning our forces?
Have the forces said 300 people have died? If they have, I will say Kapil Sibal is
no,
wrong.
do the forces have to come and give you any proof?
No.
Can't you believe them?
But then how believe them if they tell? They've not said. It's only coming through sources, government sources. I wish the forces say, I salute our forces. They were brave. They went inside Pakistan.
What a fig leaf.
Who's putting up pictures?
What a fig leaf.
Abhinandan's pictures are being put up by
ओबामा के प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की कि ओसामा मर गया, इन्होंने ओसामा की लाश नहीं देखी, पर ओबामा को किसी ने कुछ अरे तो आपको क्या ओसामा के डीएनए सैंपल आपने घर में फ्रिज में रखे हैं क्या? और दूसरी बात आपने किसके साथ वेरीफाई किया? दूसरी बात मैंने आपके बीच में नहीं बोला, आप बीच में बोल सकते हैं, ऐसा इशू मत बनिए, पर मैं आपसे एक ही चीज पूछना चाहता हूं। डीजीएमओ ने पहले सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक का प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस किया, मोदी ने नहीं किया, गाली किसको मिली? और फिर वीडियो आए तब भी बोला वीडियो झूठ है, आपको भी बोला, फिर वीडियो सार्वजनिक किए गए। अब मैं बोल रहा हूं टाइम्स नाउ जैसा विश्वसनीय चैनल बता रहा है 263 का आंकड़ा दे रहा है, वो आपको गाली देंगे, मैसेंजर को शूट करेंगे। कल जब सारी चीजें इंटरनेशनल फोरम के बाद जब ठीक से डाली जाएगी सामने, तब ये लोग रोएंगे और बोलेंगे।
Well, I'm completely out of time on this debate, but it makes my blood boil, ladies and gentlemen, because Mr. Tehseen Poonawalla is talking about sarcasm, talking about a sense of humor when Rahul Gandhi refers to Masood Azhar as Masood Azhar Ji. May I ask you, dear viewers, do you find anything amusing about 40 of our brave forces being martyred by Pakistan? Do you find it funny? Do you find any space for sarcasm and humor in this? Think about it. And think about it, Congress Party. Think about it, Rahul Gandhi. Because this country is dealing with live terror on a day-to-day basis. We don't eulogize terrorists. India does not accept this. Thank you very much to my panelists for joining me on debate number 1.